Hi, this is Nicole Lee, Health, Beauty, and More. And it looks like the FDA is going to test glyphosate in our foods. And I looked this up in Natural News, and Mike Adams believes that they're going to fake it when they do this. And he also explains the 3 different ways that they can fake the testing to make it inaccurate, so that people will say, oh, it's safe. We can go ahead and eat our wheat cereal, or eat our breads, or eat our cookies, or eat our whatever that has the glyphosate in there. And glyphosate is poisonous, even in the parts per trillion. And that's what they use in Roundup for killing weeds. So Mike Adams goes into the 3 different testing options that will be available to the FDA. They can deliberately use a bad extraction technique that fails to extract the glyphosate from the foods. That's one thing they can do. Another thing they can do is deliberately use an analytical method that shows very poor recoverability. So they can choose methods that fail to ionize the glyphosate molecule, and that will result in no measurable signals of glyphosate. It'll seem like, in that way, when you do that, you get artificially low results, or none at all. Now there's a 3rd way that they can do. They can just outright commit straight up scientific fraud. They can dilute their samples after they extract them, or they can enter the wrong sample mass into the software to calculate a quantitative result, which is what the CDC and the EPA routinely do when it suits their political interests. Of course, we know the FDA has a history of engaging in scientific fraud to cover up side effects of drugs like Vioxx and Resulin. So we should expect to see private labs producing far higher glyphosate numbers than the FDA, even for the same foods tested. And I hope that they do have other labs come in and do the testing, so that we get more than the FDA, EPA, USDA, or CDC, any of those federal agencies, and then we get a better, probably more accurate figure if we average all of them out. So then you get real science that way. Okay, so just a heads up on what's going on as far as glyphosate. I hope this gets taken care of, and I would love to have you subscribe. I'm so excited. I got more subscribers now, and maybe people are starting to listen, and things are being, the truth is being told, what's really happening in the world now. Take care. This is Nicole Lee, Health, Beauty, and More.